Hey guys, I'm Yash, and today I will go over 4 things that are easy to perform and you should do every month on your computer so that your computer has a long and healthy life. But before we move further, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos. Number 1. Uninstall unused programs. Go to Settings, Apps. Here you will find a list of all the programs installed on your computer. If you're not a computer expert, do not uninstall unknown programs. Select the ones you know what they do and uninstall the unused ones. It will free up space on your computer or potentially memory too. Number 2. Check Startup Programs. Go to Task Manager, click on Startup tab, and here is a list of programs on your computer. If the status of program is enabled, it means it will start up automatically once you start up your computer, consuming lots of RAM and leading to a slow boot up. So disable the programs that are not needed. But again, do not disable all of them. Only disable the ones that you know and you're aware what they do. Number 3. Check for Windows updates. Go to Settings, then Update. Check if there are any new updates. If yes, then update your computer and keep it up to date, because latest update comes with better optimization and less bugs. Number 4. Perform a deep scan, or you can say a full scan. If you have any third-party antivirus software in your computer, go to it and in Virus or Scan tab, you will find a full scan option. Do this once a month because everything happens online nowadays and internet is a great source of virus. You will get full scan option on Windows Defender too. These 4 things will surely keep your computer safe and healthy on the long run. Smash the like button if you found the video useful and share this video with everyone. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, stay home, stay safe.